Hi, I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel and welcome to Makeup Wednesdays. This week I'm inspired by Hydrangeas, and if you want to know how I achieved this makeup look, then keep on watching. I want to be using two eyeshadow palettes today, and one of them doesn't have a name. But first I want to start off with using a big fluffy brush. I want to go in with the Sherbet Pop, the color Candy. And what I want to do is take this brush in that color and put it in my crease and above. Now, what inspired this makeup look is actually a picture that I saw of hydrangeas, and I saw this picture of a bush or where they were put together, and I really liked it. I think you can see it on the screen. This picture right here. And it has the pinks and the purples in it because hydrangeas come in variety of colors, and I wanted to combine a few just because they come in so many different colors that just doing one color doesn't do them justice. And so I'm going to be doing pink and purple as the picture, and that is why I did purple on the above the crease, just to blend the look a little bit more. And then I want to go in and do the all over lid color. You can avoid it in the outer corner, but all over the lid until the crease is where you want to put this color. And this is from a palette that doesn't have a name, but you want to go in with this pink color right here. And I will be using a flat brush for this, and then after I might use my finger to intensify the color, but I will have to see about that. You want to still be using the flat brush, and you want to apply the pink on the inner corner about halfway on the lower lashes. Then you want to take a round brush like this one, and you want to go in with the same unknown palette, and you want to use this purple right there, and you want to put that in the outer corner and put it up into the crease and then on the outer lower lashes. Then you want to take a eye blender brush, and I'm using the one from Essence that look like that, and you want to softly blend underneath your eyes. If you have any harsh line above, you want to soften those a little bit. Now you do have the option to put the mascara on your upper and lower lashes. You have the option to put on eyeliner if that's what you want to do. I'm just going to leave it like this because it's a soft feminine look with these colors and with these flowers in mind. And I'm going to be putting on mascara on my upper lashes only because that's what suits my eye shape the best, but you can do your upper and lower lashes if that suits your eye shape the best. So before I go ahead and put my mascara on, I'm going to be curling my lashes. And then I'm going to be using my Maybelline's the Colossal mascara that looks like that. So what I want to do is go ahead and use my NYX Strobe of Genius illuminating palette, and I am taking a big fluffy brush first, and then after a small fluffy brush, and then maybe another one that is really small and tiny to get detailed area, because I want to get this highlighter in the inner corners of my eyes to brighten it up even more, but also to give it that more of an ombre effect that hydrangea petals do have, because it's not the same consistent color throughout one petal. So I want to get that effect. So I'm going to be using the color purple lilac, this one. And then you want to go ahead and set everything, and I'm taking my Makeup Revolution Sport Fix that looks like that. And so this is the finished look. It's very soft, very feminine, and very much summer-like, as we are about to leave summers, I know. But we still have a few days left, and maybe September will be warm as well, and we can enjoy a few more summer colors for a little bit longer. So that is all I have for you today, and if you liked the video, leave a like and a comment down below. And if you want more content like this, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will be notified when I upload a video. I upload my Makeup Wednesday videos every Wednesday at 7 o'clock Norwegian time, which makes it about 2 o'clock New York time. And with that, I want to say thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!